engage in over and over. They lend a certain spirit that nurtures a family's connection, giving us a sense of belonging. Why do we keep them? According to Reggie Joyner of Family Wise, making traditions with our families strengthen our bonds and reminds us that we are part of something bigger. Look for ways to make traditions with your family, from making breakfast in bed on birthdays to watching your favorite movie every Thanksgiving. Allow your kids to be part of the process, engage them, giving them a sense of security and a way to voice what is important to them. So ask your family what makes tradition special to them, how they'd like to celebrate, and then explore the possibilities. This is Beyond with Scott on the Black Information Network.
This is America's Black Voice.
The Black Information
The
Network.
Bay Area's BIN 910.
I'm Amber Payton in for Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910. San Francisco police officers are speaking out against a bakery they say has a no cops allowed policy. Reams, California allegedly refused service to an officer who showed up in uniform. Black San Francisco Police Officers Association President Lieutenant Tracy McRae shares how she feels about the rule.
Yeah, but, here we go again, with this crap, basically. Hey, if that's your policy, just post it for everyone to see.
The SSPOA says the bakery confirmed they are not serving anyone who is armed and in uniform. And that was another San Francisco businesses. Anyone spotted on stage was under fire for refusing to serve officers. A San Francisco pizza restaurant fired a worker for asking officers to leave their business. Donald Trump has returned to San Francisco-based X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, by posting his own mugshot. The former president and current candidate surrendered in Atlanta to face criminal charges for his alleged efforts to overturn Georgia's 2020 election, which he says he had every right to challenge.
You should be able to challenge an election. I thought the election was a rigged election, a stolen election.
The post is garnering about 1 million views every couple of minutes. The image that is captioned "Election Interference, Never Surrender" had been viewed more than 115 million times. Police in San Francisco are hoping to stop the current trend of brazen car break-ins in the city. Police officials announced they plan to add more officers to the areas where these smash-and-grab break-ins are taking place. Many of the areas are heavily trafficked by tourists, and people say several of the robberies seem to be happening every day. Police say they plan to use bait cars as well to catch thieves. In a moment of irony, a car break-in happened just minutes before and blocks away from where police held their press conference to announce the new enforcement effort. The issue of homeless people on San Francisco streets is now before a panel of federal judges. Attorneys for the city were in federal court appealing an order that temporarily blocked San Francisco from clearing homeless encampments. City leaders, including Black Mayor London Breed, say San Francisco has enough beds to send the homeless to, and clearing encampments will make streets safer.
We are prepared through our city attorney to do whatever it takes to make sure we are able to do our job.
Homeless advocates believe the city has largely mischaracterized how many beds they actually have for the homeless population.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Black Mayor London Breed announced San Francisco is moving forward with a plan to upgrade its aging emergency siren system. Residents used to hear the siren system test every Tuesday at noon, but the system was shut down in 2019 over concerns it could be hacked. Now siren systems are back in the news after Maui officials failed to sound their outdoor siren warning system during the devastating wildfires on the island. For more of these stories, plus international, national, state, and local news impacting the Black community, listen to the Black Information Network on the iHeartRadio app or log on to BINnews.com. I'm Amber Payton in for Natasha Williams on your home for 24/7 News, San Francisco's BIN 910.
Looking for ways to support your community? 61% of all food programs in the Feeding America network are volunteer-run. Learn more about how you can play an important role in ending hunger at feedingamerica.org.
The biggest Black news every 30 minutes.
The Black
The Bay Area's BIN 910. community? We want to know about it. Call the Black Information Network hotline and speak up. 855-500-9BIN. News with a new perspective.
Third Fulton County Jail inmate died since last month, the 7th this year. News with the Black perspective.
Philadelphia School is being renamed in honor of its first Black teacher, Alice Davenport Elementary. The Black Information Network is 24/7 news.
The Department of Water and Power crews have already mobilized to return power to Angelina.
Matters to you.
The Bay Area's VIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app. Will they find a home? Sponsored by Geico. Susan has always wanted to live in a chateau. I like a certain je ne sais quoi, while Jake is more into the Cape Cod style home.
It's a classic
You're
look.
Compromise
flashing
is tough,
me.
but these
Come
two
on.
won't have to compromise when they bundle home and car insurance with Geico. It's easy, and they could save even more. In the end, Susan and Jake found a Cape Cod style home where they will only speak French.
Bonjour, je t'aime, merci beaucoup, and cordon bleu.
You'll get better with time. Bundling without compromise at Geico.com.
The first step in a successful job hunt is crafting your resume.
Of course
An
it's
effective
same.
resume
Of course
showcases the
it is.
skills most desired by employers. Be sure your resume highlights
Yeah,
important
same,
skills
of
like computer
course.
competency, technical abilities such as programming languages, or management experience. The Black Information Network and Career Builder launched the
Oh.
100,000 Careers Initiative to empower
Oh.
Black job seekers to take that next career step. To learn more about crafting the perfect resume, book a free one-on-one job coaching session
Oh,
today
boy,
at
stupid.
careerbuilder.com/BIN.
Like
That's careerbuilder.com/BIN.
A special thank you to CBS Farm.
Oh, man. I'm okay. Just a little